Thank you. I love it.
I can't believe you have Valentine's Day in Evermore.
We call it Day of Hearts, but it's still the same traditions. Gifts, cards, the traditional hearts stay cold. You do that too, right?
Every year.
I'm just glad that we can have this dinner tonight. Just the two of us.
Ugh, don't remind me. To think, this used to be the highlight of my year. My Valentine's parties were legendary. Ooh, what's that smell?
101 ways to grill cheese.
Ooh, disappointment. Yeah, it's really strong.
Wait, hold it right there. Click on the Disney Channel logo to make sure you're the first to see the latest show clips, exclusive interviews, interactive games and more. Or for more great shows, click on the left or right box. Thanks for watching Disney Channel on YouTube.